Greetings from the Department of Student Leadership. We are excited to tell you about all things voting. Let's begin with registration. Are you registered to vote? Don't you know if you're registered to vote? Or do you need to update your address? Here at KSU, we have a one-stop shop for you to do all that by visiting our website, leadserve.kennesaw.edu. Navigate your way to our Civic Engagement tab and click on our voter registration and education. Once there, click on the Register to Vote and it will lead you to our TurboVote platform. Click on the Get Started button and you can put in your information. TurboVote offers cool features. If you live on campus, you can select where you want to register. Select the campus and it will populate the correct address. If you live somewhere else, you can enter that address. Just make sure it's your residential address, no P.O. boxes or business addresses. You can also enter the information online to print on a paper registration. Either way, it will direct you to Georgia's online voter registration system, where you will either enter or update your information electronically, or mail in your paper registration by downloading the PDF form, printing it, and sending it to your local county elections office. The process can take 2 to 6 weeks, so check your status often via the Georgia My Voter page. Once you are registered to vote, you can also learn more about your polling location and see a sample ballot via the Georgia My Voter page. If you want to request an absentee ballot, click on this link right here. Remember, the earlier the better when requesting and submitting any voter-related forms. Be sure to visit our FAQ section for any additional information. If you still have questions, you can always email us at dsl@kennesaw.edu. Thanks for watching.